All right, guys, a little bit of a different video here. Today, I just got a text that something that I bought myself for a business milestone just touched down, FedEx office, 10 minutes down the road. So I wanted to document this, talk a little bit about the thought process behind purchasing this item for myself. It's the most expensive thing that I've ever bought, and I'm not a very frivolous spender. I have my reasons behind getting this, so I want to document it, pick it up, show you guys, and talk about a little bit of the work that was put in to make it happen. It is currently Monday at 10:30 a.m. So I was supposed to get here Friday. I was gonna make the video then, made a different video instead. But today I'm making this video. As far as what my day-to-day is looking like, besides picking up this gift. Today, so far, I've had one sales team meeting. We had another sales team meeting that we actually called off, different team. I just onboarded a setter onto one of our teams that we're running, ran them through the ropes, got them access to everything. I have a weekly catch-up call with the marketing team in about 30 minutes. And then I'm onboarding someone into my community, new member who joined Friday. And then I have a one-on-one with a community member. I have another sales team meeting. I have another one-on-one with a community member and two more one-on-ones with a community member. So big day for community member one-on-one calls, but actually not that busy of a day. Usually Mondays are like the busiest day for me. So after, I don't know, I might try to squeeze in going to pick up the package between these calls, but we'll probably have to get there afterwards. So anyways, guys, I've been in online business now since 2017. Been trying to make it work, could not make it work. I had, little successes and, nothing that would allow me to quit a job or do it full time or even make any hint of a good competitive income. And it wasn't until 2022 where I really found my stride with high ticket sales. And then just off of documenting community that I run was born, and then the agency that I run was born. And to kind of document the journey so far, guys, 2017 didn't have much traction. 2022 came back into the space, gained traction, high ticket closing, got myself to the 6-figure run rate, 10K months. And in 2023, when I had the community up just off the personal brand, people asking me, and then I also got into sales management, that's when things really started to cook. And then 20K month was a bad month. And then, we're having consistent 30K months. And after, I don't know how many, 20, 30K months it was, I finally bought myself the first gift, first material thing that I had ever really bought myself, which was a vintage date just. I wear it very often still. I think as a sales guy, having a nice watch is an asset. It's something that holds its value. I didn't get anything too crazy, iced out where it's gonna lose its value. And it was $3,500, vintage date just, good condition, very standard stuff. So what happened this time around is business hit a 200K month. Between my partner and I. It's not all profit by any means. We had a really good month across 3 different businesses, and we're pacing another really good month, and this is May. And so I had my eyes on something pretty nice for a while now. I was talking to the guy that could help me get it, and he just so happened to have something right in front of him that was a no-brainer to take him up on. And so that's what we're gonna go pick up today. I'm gonna take you guys along, but I did want to just throw in there too, there's a lot of people on money Twitter and Instagram that are they're buying crazy shit when they're spending all their money on crazy shit. And I just want to make it clear that the thing that I bought today or that I'm receiving today is something that I could buy many times over before I've even thought about buying it. I see a lot of guys that they have a 50K month and then they pop out with an $80,000 car. They have one 50K month, or they have a 30K month and they pop out with a $15,000 watch. That is not the case here. For me, I do like nice things. I think it is going to help me in just a business sense. I think it is going to hold its value very well. It's part of the reason why I got the particular model in which I got. So just keep in mind here, this is not a completely dumb decision. Something I'm going to take care of, and I could sell it down the road and not lose any money, maybe even make money because of the deal that I got. Got the message. It's here. We're heading to FedEx. Taking these to FedEx. 6 shoes. They're going to be good for the water, recovery, all that kind of stuff. They're just too small, so I need a bigger size. Kind of went as expected, but I'm leaving with 2 boxes. I just dropped the expensive box. But apparently the guy upsold me on this one because this is a UPS return label. Upsold me on a $3 box. What a good salesman. But this is the one, guys. This is the big boy. Now this is how you know I'm taking YouTube seriously, because I'm filming an unboxing video. Not only one unboxing video, but there's 3 boxes that I had to go through with paper and tape and styrofoam. But You know, that's what I like to see. Spend a lot of money, want to make sure it's taken care of. All right, now we're getting somewhere. Shout out Nick at Horton Capital, guy that I used before, guy that I'll keep using, but here it is, guys. Rolex Submariner. It's a 2015 model, basically like new, and it's freaking beautiful. Camera doesn't focus here, but I'll show you just after this. So that's the watch. Recorded that a little bit earlier. It's gorgeous. I need to get it sized, probably get a link or two removed, but timeless piece. I'll have this for 40 years and pass it down, and got to get it insured. Yeah, honestly, at this point, I think that's a better place to park some money than just having it in a bank account with inflation. And you guys are getting a live first taste test. I'm gonna put you guys on if I haven't already. Richard's Rainwater is basically just sparkling water in Austin. I switched it up and I put an electrolyte tab in here because I just went on a run. First taste test. One sip, everybody knows the rules. It tastes like a healthy Sprite. Lemon lime, electrolyte tab, get on this. So I was thinking of some cool way to end this video and share some profound wisdom with you guys. But basically, rewind to when I was driving an Amazon truck. I was trying all these online business models and failing these online business models, to now having one of these. Really, here's what you guys got to do. If you're not doing it already, learn a high income skill and then use that skill in the most optimal market possible for an extended period of time. It can be sales, it can be coding, it can be a trade. That's basically all I've done. And I show up on the days when it's hard, and I show up on the days when it's easy. And I show up more days than I would say the average person. So I know this feeling too from when I bought my last watch. The material stuff is pretty fleeting. Even though I do enjoy, like I genuinely enjoy nice things. When I bought my last watch, I felt like, it was like, wow, like I never thought I could have something like this. And now today it's just like, oh, this is, it's just a watch. Like it means literally nothing to me besides the fact that it was the first, and it was, it kind of symbolized when business was well. This one today, it's like, wow, like, I was kind of pushing for this for a while, and it's awesome and it looks nice and I'm going to enjoy it, but I already know in a month from now, like I'm not going to find happiness from the watch. It's just kind of like a symbol. You look down, it's like, wow, like, I am the guy. I'm the guy that can solve this problem. I am the guy that can get this result. A little bit of just a reminder that you're capable of whatever you want. So that's where I'm going to end this video. Keep going. Just keep going. Literally, do not stop. It's going to get hard. If it's not getting hard, something's wrong. You're not doing anything worth doing if it's not hard. And I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know in the comments below. I'm trying to stay more consistent. Let me know if you guys want more educational stuff, if you want more lifestyle stuff where I take the camera around and act like an idiot. Let me know. Yeah, we'll go from there. Thank you.